Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know how we have generated almost 300,000 revenue in 1 month with the ROAS of 3 for an apparel and accessories company. They faced several critical challenges: low brand awareness, the company had limited brand recognition and needed to establish a strong online presence. Second one is competitive market. The apparel and accessories sector was highly competitive, demanding a unique approach to distinguish the brand from its competitors. Third one is the ROAS improvement. Company aimed to maximize the efficiency of their ads budget and generate more revenue through the Google ads. So now the strategies that we have used: Grip6 partnered with the proficient digital marketing team to formulate a comprehensive Google ads strategy with an emphasis on video campaign. The strategy included: first one is the video campaigns, creation of captivating video ads highlighting Grip6 distinctive belts and wallets. These videos showcased the brand's commitment to quality, durability and innovation. The other thing is the audience segmentation, segmenting the audiences based on interest, behaviors and demographics to tailor video campaigns to different customer profiles. The next is keyword research, extensive keyword research to identify high impact search terms and long tail keywords related to Grip6 products. The next is the ad copy optimization, crafting compelling ad copies that emphasized the brand's unique selling points and quality. The next is the performance tracking, continual monitoring of campaign performance using Google Ads analytics to make data-driven adjustments. So now, in terms of the results, below are the top converting keywords: belts for men grip, belt grip 6 belt buckles, Grip6 belts. So now below is also the top converting ad copy. So after setting up the campaigns using the best PPC practices and managing the campaign for a few months, we have been able to get almost $300,000 in terms of revenue with the ROAS of almost 3. This indicated that for every ad dollar spent, the company generated $3 in terms of revenue, demonstrating the campaign's efficiency. The campaign led to a substantial increase in revenue for Grip6. The brand experienced significant sales growth directly by just attributed to the Google ads. They have also seen enhanced brand popularity. The video campaigns played pivotal role in doing the elevation for their brand recognition. Viewers engaged with the brands, understanding its products better and establishing a connection with Grip6. The next is a tailored video campaign. The use of various video campaigns tailored to specific trust and the audience segment proved very successful. These campaigns collectively generated over $40,000 in terms of revenue, demonstrating the power of customization. The next is the high CTR. Engaging video content resulted in increased CTR, showing that the campaign effectively captured the audience attention. The next is the consistent optimization. Continuous monitoring and the optimization for the ad campaigns ensured that the ROAS remained high and continued to improve over. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.